There is one annoying problem about Samsung Galaxy A series, about their charging system. All of a sudden, your phone wouldn't charge anymore, no matter what you try. Sometimes if you slap the back of the phone, it will start charging. Sometimes, no matter what you do, it wouldn't charge. You would think your charger is not okay anymore. But the problem is not with your charger, and the problem is not even with your charging port. I will show you what the problem is. In front of me here, I have a Samsung Galaxy A71 and Samsung Galaxy A70. This is the A70. If I plug it to the charger, it will start charging. You can see it's fast charging. I've repaired this one already, but if I plug it to the A71, it will not charge, and no matter how I try to touch the charging port, it will not. So you don't have to keep wiggling the charging port, you may damage it. So if you open the back of this phone, see this flex here. This flex here is responsible for the problem you're having. Over time, the negative terminal of the flex begins to corrode and it will lose connection to the charging port. That is why your phone wouldn't charge when you plug it. So the only way you can repair this is to open it, remove the flex, and then wash it with alcohol. Once you do it, it's going to start charging again. Everything you're doing, you should handle the phone with care because the terminal is not that strong. So you should be very careful when handling this flex because any mistake, you are going to tear it. So that's how you are going to repair this, and I'll show you if you keep watching. So this is the flex. You can see how it's connected. I'm going to wash it with alcohol. I've removed it. This is the flex. I'm going to wash this place with alcohol. I'm also going to carefully, with cotton wool, wash this place with alcohol. Alright, I see the alcohol. This is cotton bud, and then this is cotton wool. I use it to do this now. I have to clean it very well, the mouth. And with the cotton bud, so that you can be careful enough to clean the pot. Remember, while doing all these things, you have to remove the battery terminal so you will not short circuit anything on the motherboard. After this, you allow it to dry very well before connecting it back. If you have a heat gun, you can as well use it. Remember, on the flex, there is mainboard, subboard, clearly written. Mainboard, subboard. Don't make any mistakes. So let's test it again. You can see it's charging now. Can you see it? It's charging now. Let's come. You can see now it's charging. Okay. So if you're a lover of DIY, I suggest you should follow this my channel. Subscribe. I post these kinds of things online. You're going to learn. Thank you for watching.